Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious agua fresca. It's a cucumber pineapple lemonade that I know that you guys are going to love. It's very refreshing. It has a lot of antioxidants and it's perfect for summer. I know that once you try it, you're going to continue making it at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cucumbers, organic lemons from my sister's tree. I have here water and of course the pineapple. Let's prepare this delicious cucumber pineapple lemonade at home. So let's get started. I am going to start making my simple syrup. I have my saucepan here, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to add 1 cup of filtered water. This is the way I make my simple syrup. Let's go to the stove. My stove is on and I am ready to start making the simple syrup. My friends, now I am ready to make my simple syrup. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes before the sugar completely dissolves, but this is a very, very important step because melting our sugar, making the simple syrup, we add less sugar to our agua frescas. So this is a very important step. I'll see you back when the sugar has dissolved completely. Okay, my friends, my simple syrup is done. All the sugar has dissolved completely. And what I'm going to do now is just turn off the heat and let it rest. So when I am ready to add it to my agua fresca. I am ready with my fruit. I'm going to go ahead and take it and rinse every single one perfectly. These lemons are from my sister's house. They are organic. She has a beautiful tree. I have my cucumber here. I want to make sure that I rinse everything perfectly. This is completely done. Now I am ready to start with my cucumber. I'm going to put my lemons on the side and I'm going to start with my cucumber. I want to take the edges off completely and then I'm just going to peel them. I am going to leave some of the skin on so it will give a little bit of flavor to the lemonade. Just like this. I want to show you this step. This cucumber I'm going to slice in very thin slices because I'm going to reserve a little bit for my picture so it looks so beautiful when I put it inside the picture. Look at this. They got to be very thin slices. These are the ones I'm going to reserve aside for the decoration of my picture. And I am going to continue with the next cucumber. I'm going to go ahead and just start cutting the edges perfectly. And then this is completely done. Now I am ready to start with my lemons. These lemons are so juicy. I mean, they're organic, but they're very juicy. And now I'm going to help myself with the little bowl and I'm going to start getting the juice out of the lemons. Look at this. Look how much lemon I'm getting out of this piece of lemon. I mean, this is just amazing. I couldn't even smell the lemon and it's so juicy. I'm going to continue with the rest, getting the juice completely out, making sure that every single drop I added to my little plate. They are very juicy and the flavor is just so intense of these lemons. This is the last lemon, and look how much juice I got. I got about 1 cup of juice. Now I have my pineapple here. I'm just gonna cut the edges first so that I stabilize the pineapple. I don't want the pineapple to be rolling from one side or another. So this is the way I cut it. Now I'm gonna take the skin completely off just like this, and then I'm gonna cut it in little squares. I gotta make sure that I leave a little bit of pineapple behind, reserve it for my picture and my decoration. So now here I have my cup of my blender, and I'm adding the pineapple and the cucumber. To this, I am going to add filtered water because we want to blend it completely. We want to make sure that everything is nice and blended. So let's blend it and make sure that this is really nice and blended. It's going to take just a couple minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then this is done. This is completely done. Okay, now I am so ready to start putting it through a sifter because I don't want any of the pulp to go into my lemonade. So this is, I go step by step, making sure that I get all the little seeds and all the little things that are in the center. So I just make sure that I do this slowly and I take my time. Now I'm adding my lemon juice and I'm doing the same thing. I don't want none of the pulp of the lemon juice or the cucumber or the pineapple. Here is my pinch of salt. The salt is very important. I'm adding my simple syrup. The salt will bring up all those flavors. I'm adding just a little bit of food coloring, a little drops of green food coloring, just to make this agua fresca pop out with the color. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to taste it. If it needs a little more simple syrup, I will add it, but this is fine to my tasting. Now I am ready to start adding the pineapple, the cucumber, right on the bottom of the pitcher. When I'm pleased with all the fruit that I added on the bottom, I'm going to start adding some ice right on the top of the cucumber and the pineapple. We want to make sure that when the pitcher is done, you could see all the pineapple and the cucumber all over the pitcher. So now I'm going to continue adding the rest just like this, and then adding some more ice right on the top. Now I am adding the juices, and look how this is looking. This just looks so refreshing, and it is so tasty. Hi friends, I want to show you from close-up how delicious and how refreshing this cucumber pineapple lemonade is. Remember, if it looks good, it is delicious. Look at this. So refreshing, although tasting, this is just amazing. I want to show you my drink, of course. Look at this, the pineapple, the cucumber. This just looks amazing, and I'm sure that it tastes so refreshing and so delicious. Why not, my friends? Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. I'll see you in a little bit. this agua fresca. Cucumber, pineapple, lemonade. If it looks good, it tastes delicious. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. Let's see how this agua fresca came out. Excuse me. Definitely nice and fresh, nice and refreshing. The pinch of salt brought up all those delicious flavors. This water is just perfection. Ready for the summer. I want you to drink my aguas frescas for this summer. I hope you can make them at home. Enjoy them with your family. And of course, something healthy, something delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not? Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my agua fresca. Bye-bye.